So I made a video about how you can make money using Google News, and someone commented and said he wanted more. And so on this video, I'm going to show you a totally different strategy you can use to make money using Google News. And just like the previous one, you don't need any affiliate link. All you need is just Google News, an AI tool, Canva, and other websites I'm going to be mentioning on this video. So stick around to find out how I'm going to do this. So once you get to Google, you go over to Google News, and once it opens, you'll see different niches here that you can actually use. But for this example, I'll be recommending you use either business niche or health or science or even sports. So, but I'm going to be going with health. As you can see, I'm already opened here at health, and I'm going to look for a topic that I can use to do what I need to do on this video. Now, I have seen something that I like. It says the power of positive parenting, how one can support shield teenagers from stress. So I like it, and I'm going to use it to do what I need to do here. So what I have to do now is to copy this. Now paste it on a notepad. Okay, it's pasted now. I'm also going to copy the title and paste it too. Now, the essence of copying this news and pasting it on a notepad is for you to study the news so that you know what is needed. The essence of this strategy is for you to provide more information about the news that just broke, so that people that may have some questions arising from the news after reading it will have some answers from it when you're done with the process I'm going to be sharing. So all you have to do is just to go through the news so that you'll be able to know the prompt you'll be asking the AI tool you're going to be using to do the other processes that are involved. So for the sake of this video, it's just a demonstration. I'm going to be using copy.ai. You can use ChatGPT or Jasper.ai or any other AI writing tool that is available to you, and you can do yours better once you have seen what to do and how to do it on this video. You can also feel free to do your own research and come up with your own writing if you don't want to use any AI tool, so that you get the details about what you think people are going to be reading about or be interested in reading by the time you must have gone through the Google News article. Now, the reason I chose that topic was because it's something that people are very much interested in, especially parents. They want to know what next to do to help them, train their children in the right way. So this is something that is quite captivating, and parents will be interested in reading about them. So once you have opened the AI tool you'll be using, you input the necessary information and you tap create content. It has created some content here. So we're going to copy this content and go over to Canva to do what we need to do. Now that we have gotten the content, the next thing to do is to create the ebook using Canva. And to start up, we'll look for ebook. That's the book here. For ebooks to come out so that we can use the template to create one. And it's out. I think I like this one. We're going to customize this to use it for what you want to do. So now that it's open, we're going to start creating a new cover. So to start up, we're going to delete this. Because of the title we are having, we have to make sure that the cover reflects the title of the book we're having. So to do this, I'm going to look for a picture that will reflect what we're having. So once you've gotten the picture, you head back over to Canva and you change this picture. Say upload. Upload files. Now that we have this, I want to edit the picture a little bit. Filter. Let's try this. I think I like this. So we're going to use this, and then we select test. Now that we have gotten our book cover, the next thing is to generate the table of content and impute every other thing that is needed. Then we go back to our AI tool to develop the table of content. You copy, go back to Canva, add text, copying and pasting, and while you're doing that, you'll be checking the content you copied to see if it's actually matching, because this is AI generated content, so you have to make sure that it's actually matched with what you're having. And in some situations, if you want to make some adjustments, you can copy from what you copied and spin it around using a website called Spinbolt. Once you've spinned it around, you can now incorporate it into your book because it's now an original content. So you keep doing this, keep making the necessary adjustments, and once you are done with your ebook, because this is quite time consuming and you have to put in your effort to do the editing. Once you are done and everything is in order, then you download the first page. And then to do this, click download. But then because it's the first page, you just download only first page, and then you download. Now that it's downloaded, you go to a website called Smart Mockups. That is where you're going to place the book design, the cover, so that you see how it's going to look by the time you want to market it. So here we are at Smart Mockup. You upload your image here. Our book is ready. You can also choose any of these depending on the one you want. I think I'm going with this one. We're going to be going with this, and then we download here. Now that we have gotten our ebook, the next thing is to market this ebook. And you know that because the title of and what the book is about was generated from a Google News that just emerged, people are interested, and there are likelihood that they are going to buy once they know that the book is going to answer some questions they may be having as a result of the news that broke. So all you have to do is just to use any of these websites to sell your book so that people that are interested will buy, and then you make money. And because it's a trending news, you can actually trust that people are going to buy. So before I mention this website, please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel if you really want to learn other ways you can make money online. So you can publish your book using this website, this Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. But what it means is that you have to make sure that you have gone through the criteria, the book guidelines, so that you know that your book, the format and everything is in order to be published on this website. So you have to make this inquiry ahead of time before you start producing your ebook. So to get started, you sign up here. Another website is called Kobo Writing Live. This is a place where you can also publish books. People come here and they read, they buy your books. So to get started, you click here to get started to sign up. The third website is called Smashwords. This is a place where you get to publish your book. As you can see, there are lots of books that are already published and they are making sales from this website. And to get started, also you sign up here. The last website is called Draft to Digital. So this is another website where you can publish your book and you start selling. And then you read more about how it works, so that you know how to get started with this website. And to sign up, you click here to sign up and you start making sales. So in other words, you have to make sure that you have made your inquiry about any of the websites you intend to sell your book, so that you know that the formatting, the editing, the construction, everything about the book is in line with the guidelines and criteria that are required on these websites before you get started, so that you can start making some money while you sell your book. If you don't have the stress to go through all the stress and you just want to go the easy way, I have this video here that can actually help you learn other ways you can actually make money using Google News. You can check that out. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one.